plastic and this process has been around for about 120 years. It is called casein or Galalith plastic that was invented in Germany. It was launched at the Paris Universal Exhibition in 1900. The famous Art Deco designer Augustin Bonas, based at the Maison Bonas in Paris, was well known for his haircomb designs and striking shapes made from casein. It could be modified to make imitation horn and tortoise shell. This process was continued until about 1945, when synthetic plastic was introduced. To make milk plastic, you will need the following equipment: a strainer or sieve, a roll of paper towel or a tea towel, measuring cup for milk and vinegar, a silicone mould, for example an ice cube tray, which would have some interesting shape, etc., a small bowl and a spoon. Also, you will need to get 250 ml of full cream milk and approximately half a litre of ordinary cooking vinegar. At the end of each of the sections in this video, you can pause the course until you have finished that section of the activity. Once you have finished, press the play button to continue. There is no need to rush, there is plenty of time. Warm your milk in a microwave or on top of a stove until the milk is steaming. Get one of your parents to help you with this. Add 4 teaspoons of vinegar to the warm milk and stir gently. Once the milk has curdled, pour the content into a sieve to remove all the fluid from the mixture. Place the remaining curd on top of the towel to remove the remaining fluid. You might have to repeat this a few times until you remove all the moisture. You will notice that the white material left is a bit crumbly, but you can change it into a small ball. This ball is the beginning of your plastic. Place this ball into a small bowl and cover it with some fresh vinegar for about an hour. If you want to colour your plastic, add some food colouring to the vinegar at the beginning. Use a timer if you have one to measure the 1 hour. Once the hour has passed, pour off the remaining vinegar and repeat the drying process as before. You will notice that the plastic is now much smoother and not as crumbly as before. Knead and press the plastic on the towel to remove all the liquid. You can use any container as a mould, but pick something that has an interesting design. Once you have put the plastic into the mould, let it sit for about 24 hours. At the end of the 24 hours, gently remove the shape from the mould. Let it dry for at least another 24 hours to fully cure the shape. After this, you can paint the shape. What has been shown here is a general method of creating a small amount of plastic which can be made into any shape. You can use this plastic to make small figures and paint them, or small pieces to make a bracelet or necklace. If you are going to make a bracelet or necklace, you can put a small hole through the piece with a bamboo skewer after you have taken the piece out of the mould. The volumes of materials used here are not fixed. You can make smaller or larger batches of the plastic. Use your imagination on how you would like to use this plastic. There are so many ways in which you could use this creative material.